I'll put out next week or sooner. You never know, right? If that's what you want, okay? Because really that's all. I think now's the best time to start building out your van. And there it is. What we have here is the part where the heat comes out from my diesel heater. And the way it works is this kind of slinks all the way back to the back of the van where the diesel heater is kept. It's underneath near the trunk over there, the garage area. And if there's one thing about this van is that it was built out over time. If you look at my previous videos, none of this was actually here. I sort of built it as materials became available. It's early in the morning right now, and I'm debating whether I should undertake this project or maybe leave it for another time. And the reason I see that is because I start work a bit later today, but I also don't want to start this thing that I don't finish it. So I think it'll take probably about an hour. If I'm really on the ball, I could probably finish it within an hour. And so ideally, I figure out a way so that it stays sort of tucked in like that, so that, and I can also be able to easily take it out. But in the summertime, I won't be using it, definitely not as much, just because it's warmer. And so that's probably going to be my next project for this little van. And I mentioned it before in a previous video where I was saying that I think now's the best time to start building out your van in the spring, just because you're not going to be sweating like crazy during the summer. And also, you want to be able to take that time during the summer to have some fun, to travel versus building out your van. However, if that's the only time you can build it, obviously build it. But if you can build in the spring, the weather is quite good. And as for me, it's a time issue. So I'm trying to be judicious with my time and balance it out. And really, that's something we sort of all have to figure out for ourselves. So that's going to be my next project. I guess now at this point, I've got all these little updates and upgrades, upfits, whatever you want to call them, for my van. And I'm going to make a list. I started a list, and some of them I could definitely do, and they're only going to take maybe a couple of hours. And that's depending on I have the materials. Part of this is preparing that you have the materials and tools so you can actually do this stuff. Anyway, guys, it's early morning. I'm going to make myself some coffee. I haven't made some coffee at all. And maybe later this week, I'll put out another video. And this video, I'll put out next week or sooner. You never know, right? So guys, thanks very much for visiting and coming back. If you like any of my videos, please hit that like button. And there's also this thing called a notification bell. So if you're subscribed, click that notification bell, and apparently what it does is it'll give you an alert whenever I post out a video, if that's what you want, okay? If you want to get an alert when I post out a video. And the other thing is, oh yeah, you have to be subscribed. And the other thing is, I know some people said that they never got the notifications, and that could be one of the reasons why. It's because you have to click on that notification bell. Oh wait, hold on. My alarm went off. It's early in the morning right now. And finally, you know what I'm going to say? Always remind yourself you're awesome on a daily basis. You know, some days you're thinking things are going to go a particular way and they don't. And it's easy to get disappointed. And I know for me, it's something that I work on a daily basis. And that's good. I think that's an honorable thing, to constantly be working to ensure that you become better, you stay better, and also being kind. You know, those are the kind of things that I look at. Because really that's all we have. You know, when all is said and done, when you're kind of drawing your last breath, you're not thinking about the stuff that you made, you know. You're thinking about more important things. Boy, I really didn't expect to get into that so early in the morning. Yeah, I definitely need my coffee. My coffee. See, I said that like a true Filipino. Coffee. It's coffee, okay? Okay, I think I'm done. Bye-bye.